Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can edit PDF file on Word. So if you want to open an actual PDF file on Word, you just have to go to open here. On open, go to browse or this PC. I'm going to click on browse. On browse, go to downloads or whichever place you keep your PDF file. I'm going to open thumbtext here. This is a PDF file I made to demonstrate this. You can see that Word show us a message like this. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document, right? This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained lots of graphics. Just click on OK, and you can see it converted it wonderfully because the PDF I just put in this earlier is just this text that says, I really want to edit this PDF file. But what if we try something more complex? So let's go to the internet, and I have this sample PDF here, for example. I'm going to download this. I'm going to click on save, and it'll be this sample PDF, right? Let's try to open it in Word. Let's go to File. Let's go to Open, Browse, and Sample. Again, same message. Click on OK. And there you go. Now it converted the PDF earlier into this editable Word document. You can see that there's some difference. Like for example, the font here. The font here is very thin, but Word made it to be this standard font. But the Word in itself, like the content, is actually still the same. It's just a couple of things are different, like the font. But you can see the color stayed and all of the contents are still intact. But that is how you edit PDF file in Word. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.